I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Skype account. For that, first of all, open up your Skype app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on Let's Go to get started. Tap on Sign In or Create. Enter your email address or your phone number and then tap on Next. There you can see the option of Forgot Password. Tap on it. Tap on Get Code. If you have entered your email, you will receive security code on your mail. If you have entered your phone number, you will receive it on your phone respectively. Enter your security code and then tap on Next. Set a new password and re-enter your password to confirm it. Tap on Next when you're done. Your password has now been changed. Tap on Sign In. Enter your phone number or email address. Tap on Next. Now you can enter your new password and then tap on Sign In. This way you can recover your Skype account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.